Hello everyone, this is a reading for the 27th of February 2023 and I can't believe we're nearly in March. It's amazing, isn't it, that spring is on the way. So let's see what Magdalene would like us to know for the week ahead. Beautiful. So we have the Star of Bethlehem. Wish upon a star and your wish will be granted. And this is beautiful. Usually comes up around December time, but it's a really, really positive card. This is for all of you who are star seeds, those of you that are light workers and you're feeling different right now and you're looking at those around you, perhaps the younger souls that are around us, and you're wondering when they're going to move on to the Ascension pathway. Perhaps you're worried about family members or loved ones. And when you're a star seed, it's your kind of birthright to help anchor and activate energies here on the new earth. And sometimes we're expecting a big shift on the earth. We're wanting the planet Earth to ascend. We want everyone to catch up with us. But the way in which this is going to happen for more of us to anchor the starlight from the planets that we come from. And when more of us embody that starlight and work with that star frequencies and those stellar galactic regions and bring that energy here, we'll feel more at home. And also when we bring that ascension light here on the planet, that's also going to help others. So think of ways in which you can work with your starseed energy and the planet of origin. You can work with, the Pleiadian Venus energy, which is very much the Hathor energy that we work with in the Venus Rose lineage. Perhaps you want to work with the Arcturians and work with, crop circles or mandalas and those kind of technologies. Maybe you want to work with Lyra and the beautiful pure white cats of Lyra. Maybe you're drawn to working with Orion and the pyramids and those energies. Maybe you're going to work with the Venus gates. But look at ways in which you can work with your star lineage. Research about star seeds and know that lots of these young children, well, most of the young children that are here that we sometimes call the children of the sun or Metatron's children, they are star seeds. They're beautiful souls that are bringing their love and their light here. And if we think it's hard as indigos or crystals or even, golden light workers, the older generation, imagine how it is for these sweet souls that are just coming in with their pure light, the pure Eve codes and the pure codes from the stellar regions. So maybe this is a message as well to help and support your children that are star beings. Reach out to, an angelic Reiki healer, a Seraphim healer, somebody that works with starlight and galactic origins so that you can help your children. So this is a wish granted. So go out in the garden in the evening, look at the stars, search for a shooting star, or even just look at the stars and make your wish and know that that wish is going to be granted. And we're going into the equinox now in a couple of weeks' time, and the energy shifts on the planet, and it's a time of rebirth and new beginnings. So make your wish now so that as we go into the spring and into the summer, you can accomplish it. And then listen to the angels and the star beings that are around you so that they can give you action steps for you to achieve your goals. So have a beautiful week. Remember to do some stargazing and remember to call on your star and galactic team. And if you need any help and support at all, reach out for an SOS. If you would like a Magdalene reading, please get in touch. Also check out my website and see the various different classes and courses that are on there. And if you want help or need help as a starseed, or even if your children need help as a starseed, do reach out, because I work with children that are trying to embody and nurture those beautiful stellar qualities. And also I work with parents that maybe don't understand what's going on for their beautiful children that are very wise, very knowledgeable, filled with this ascension light. So I would love to hear from you. Please comment below, please get in touch, maybe come and visit me in Avalon, and I'm sending you so much love for the week ahead.